Hello, this is Rob from robcoven.com, and this is an introduction in how we can earn over $5,000 a month in passive profits from creating info products like ebooks and video courses. Now, I don't want to say that there's an easy, quick fix, quick money solution, because there isn't. But what I do want to say is, for a relatively short time, all you've got to do is spend a little bit of time every day creating content, either free or paid, building an audience, building a brand, building an email list, and a portfolio of info products, ebooks, and video courses. And I can show you how to do that. So I hope you'll join me on this course and find out how you can join the $5,000 a month passive income club and get out there and earn money from your expertise. I hope to see you in the next video. My name's Rob from robcoven.com. Goodbye.